Hey everyone, pause for a bit and make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to follow me on Instagram at Eva Glums to see more content. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy. We're going on a walk. It's slippery out. We don't want to fall. It's snowing. It's cold. So guys, here I have some dinner. So my mom made some paratha. So there's two types of paratha. There's one made out of flour and there's one made out of wheat flour, if I believe, atta we call it. And then we have some vegetables, some potato and eggplants with some lentil. This is my favorite lentil, so lentil with some ground beef. And yeah, this is what I'm gonna eat for dinner. Guys, today is 5th January, the 5th January, and I'm having dinner because we were craving some paratha with dal. It's so good. It's the best. What? And my mom made two types of paratha. One is like atta paratha and the other one is just regular paratha, and our paratha is always square. It's a Bengali thing, it's always square. So yeah. Hey everyone, so here you're gonna see my dad bake two different type, and this is our favorite pizza ever, especially homemade. And when you add ground beef, that's like the most delicious pizza ever. It reminds me of Mexican pizza, so yeah, that's what we're snacking on. It was really good. It's good? Mm-hmm. Thumbs up? So we did groceries, and after a long time we got some McDonald's. Are you happy? Okay, enjoy. সবাই বাংলাদেশ মানুষরা দেখেন আমার মাম্মি কত বার্গার খায়. So Ilma is making some Thai soup. Wow, and some Imuna is making wonton, right?
Yep.
Okay.
It's keema wonton.
Here, my dad is prepping for some tehari, beef tehari. So, Bangladeshi মানুষরা আমার পাপা যে গরু মাংস তো প্রিপেয়ার করতেছে, সরি, তেহারি বানাইতে জন্য। ফার্মে থেকে ফ্রেশ গরু মাংস আসছে। So, Imuna made some wonton. Here's the Thai soup made by Ilma, and we're gonna have it together. You just watch us having some Thai soup and wonton, and now for dinner we're gonna have some beef tehari, and it was delicious, really good.
This tehari, man, Hajir tehari. Bangladesher Hajir tehari, okay?
But guys, me and mom, we made some jalebi because we were craving for it, especially Imuna and dad. So here's homemade jalebi. Usually we make it a lot during Ramadan, and Ramadan is coming, so yeah. So guys, my mom and dad, but especially my mom, made aloo puri. Basically, it's It's a dough, and inside there's filling, so it's potato fillings. It's our favorite. It looks so good, so I'm gonna show you how it looks like inside. So guys, mom prepared some dinner for us. Naan, some salad, and some chicken. This is a really we call this like it's a fried chicken, but it's a really different fried chicken. So it's not your usual one. It's a Bangladeshi fried chicken. Good morning! Oh my god. This is a snowstorm, by the way. We called it. It's crazy. So there's a snowstorm going on right now. Non-stop snow. Wow. My car is over there. It's crazy. Mommy, dekho. Koto snow. So today someone came and cleaned here because if we go out, you know, there was pile of snow. তো আমার বাংলাদেশি মানুষরা অনেক স্নো পড়তেছে, লাইক 8 ঘন্টা হয়ে গেছে স্নো পড়তেছে, আরও পড়তে থাকবে আরও 12 ঘন্টার জন্য। তো অনেক স্নো দেখতে পারেন। এখানে ক্লিন করছে, কেউ আসছিল ক্লিন করে চলে গেছে, বা দেখেন এখনো স্নো বয়ে গেছে আরও। So here you can see over there Imona. This is my car, and yesterday, like I filmed and you saw it, it was snowing so much, and tomorrow it's gonna be so cold that if I don't clean this, it's gonna be stuck like a rock. So let's clean this. So our Bangladeshi মানুষরা অনেক স্নো পড়ছে, তো আমরা এখন গাড়ি ক্লিন করবো। আমি আর ইমোনা দুইটা ব্রাশ, ওখানে আমি এটা না ক্লিন করলে তো এটা বরফ হয়ে যাবে, তো এটা এখন ক্লিন করবো আমরা। রেডি? অনেক ঠান্ডা, আজকে খালি 1 ডিগ্রি, কালকে -6 হবে। সো লেটস ডু ইট। সো বাংলাদেশ মানুষরা আমার পাপা চাইছিল কমেন্টে ফিল্ম করি স্নো। আমাদের পুরুষ ছেলেদের মানুষ দরকার নাই, আমরা একাই করতে পারি। Let's do this. Okay, ek hat diya hobe na. I also did the backyard, so it's so deep. It's like my hand size. Iwapu, say hi. Say hi to your dosto. Say hi to your dosto. Hi, ma Bangladeshi manusha. Ivapu and Major are cleaning the car because there was a huge snowstorm. Look at all of this snow. দেখেন সবাই কেমনে আমার বোন ইবাপু আর মেজো স্নো ক্লিন করতেছে। অনেক বরফ পড়ছে কালকে। এই যে ইবাপু, অনেক বাতাস। স্নো ক্লিনার করার সাথে সাথে গাড়িও গরম দিতেছে। বাইরে আজকে অনেক বাতাস আর খুবই ঠান্ডা। wait. Snow move. So thanks girls for cleaning the car with me. I didn't do it. Okay. The clean করা হয়েছে সবাই। এখন এই গাড়িটা সরাবো কিন্তু অনেক snow. So the car is clean. We're gonna move the car. Hi. Hi girls. So we're going to Krispy Kreme right now. Sorry. Yeah, no copyrights here. So Eva was driving. We're going to Krispy Kreme. Here is Ilma. It's currently 5:56 p.m. But we've been craving Krispy Kreme for a while, so we're just going for it. So here we are downtown at Krispy Kreme. So we came here after cleaning the car to get Krispy Kreme. Sisters are there. There we go. Destination arrived. Are you excited for Krispy Kreme?
I am, if the other guy doesn't take my donuts.
Yeah, he went in when we were online.
Yeah.
Look, nobody. Hi, Emma. Nobody in the streets. Krispy Kreme. We got our Krispy Kreme. We got minis because it is 6:14 p.m.
It's new edition, limited edition. So
Yes.
can't wait to try it.
It looks so good. We'll show you the flavors later when we reach home. So we're back home and we treated ourselves some Krispy Kreme limited edition. So you can see there's birthday one, chocolate chip, well, it's cookie dough, and cheesecake and some originals. It's so good. We reward ourselves. Guys, this aloo puri smells so good, and it's so like fluffy. That's how it looks like inside aloo puri. Isn't this beautiful? Don't mind my hair because it's night. It's so good. So fluffy, crispy. I'm gonna dip it with some yogurt, plain yogurt, and some sriracha. Oops, here you go. It's much better. So good. So we're gonna end the vlog with Imuna's vlog. You're gonna see her talking, and this is a rashgulla mishti that my mom made. রূপচাঁদা মাছ হলো আমাদের সবার ফেভারিট। আমার মামি বানিয়েছে রূপচাঁদা মাছ আজকে। দেখতে যত সুন্দর, খাইতে অনেক স্বাদ হবে গাইস।
মামি বানিয়েছে লাউ তরকারি চিংড়ি মাছ দিয়ে, কই মাছ আর সিম তরকারি। সিম আমাদের গার্ডেন থেকে, বাগানে থেকে, পুঁই শাক গার্ডেনে থেকে, আমাদের বাগানের। দেখতে যত সুন্দর, খাইতে অনেক স্বাদ হবে।